The cost to repair water damage in attic is much higher than the average repair. The damage caused by a leaky roof is extensive and requires the attention of a professional. The first step in the remediation process is containing the water and tracking its source. In some cases, the leak could be due to pipe leaks and may require a hole in the ceiling to allow the pooled water to drain. The hole should be covered with plastic and/or a container to prevent mold growth. Getting the attic cleanup started requires the use of headlamp flashlights to see through dark areas. It is best to hire professionals for this job. They are certified and have experience in removing hazardous materials and providing ceiling repairs. Check online for reviews and recommendations to find a local company. A few good companies have a high customer satisfaction rate, so check them out before hiring a company. You might need to spend a few $100s to have your attic cleaned and restored. When estimating the cost to repair water damage in attic, you need to know the cause of the problem. Having a professional inspect the damage is best because even minor areas can lead to larger issues. For instance, a few square inches of water can lead to mold and recurrences. Then, you must pay for replacement of ceiling joists and drywall panels. In some cases, you may also need to replace the electrical system, which should be replaced as well. The cost to repair water damage in attic is significantly different from the cost to replace the ceiling and remove the mold. The price can range from $500 to more than $2,000, but the cost for a small patch of drywall can be as low as $200. However, there is still a lot of uncertainty when it comes to pricing. If the damage is extensive, you might need to spend as much as $7,000 or more for a full restoration project. The cost to repair water damage in attic can range anywhere from $1,500 to $3,500. A certified mold remediation technician will carefully analyze the area and use equipment to get rid of mold. If the mold is present, it will need to be removed from the affected drywall and wood structures. Additionally, it may be harmful to the interior air, so it is important to get it cleaned by a professional. The cost to repair water damage in attic varies from area to area. You should always seek estimates from several companies and compare them to find the best one for you. If you have the budget, the plumber should charge between $45,150 and $1,500 per hour. If you're concerned about the cost of a plumbing company, be sure to mention the zip code when requesting a quote. You can also contact a local plumber to determine the costs in your area. In general, the cost to repair water damage in attic varies depending on the type of damage. Class 1 is the smallest, and the cheapest type of repair is $150 to $200. If the damage is caused by storm-forced rain or a leak, it can cost over $1,000 or more. You should also consider the size of the affected attic. If it's not large, you may have to hire an attic contractor. It is important to get an estimate on the cost to repair water damage in attic if you're unsure of the extent of the damage. Most roof leaks will start at the top of the house and end up in the attic. The cost to repair water damage in attic varies, but it's generally around $1,500 to $3,500 on average. If you don't have the funds to pay for a contractor, you'll need to replace the ceiling yourself. The cost to repair water damage in attic varies based on the type of repairs. In general, the repair of the ceiling will cost between $200 and $1,500. Often, it's the ceiling that is damaged that takes a few days to notice and costs upwards of $1,500. Once the damage has occurred, it's crucial to hire a contractor who can do the job quickly and efficiently.